Here is how to add a link to an image in Figma. Okay, so first let's pretend we want to create the ad for a new keyboard. Okay, so let's add a text. Okay, I'll change just the size. And let's move it here. Okay, now I'm going to go to the left side on the main menu, click File, Place Image, and I'm going to open the image of the manufacturer. Okay, there we go. Okay, so now we need the link that we want to open. In this case, we're gonna open the manufacturer. So let's select the link, right click, copy, and then let's add a text box in here. We're going to paste it, but as you can see, it is too big. So we're going to change the size to about 20. Okay, we're going to try to place it on the center of the image. This way, when someone drags the arrow to the icon, it will refer to the link. Okay, so now we're going to click on the upper part in create link, and it already recognized the link. So just enter. And as you can see, there's text behind it. So let's select the text box and we change this to 0. But there it is. And now just let's make a preview. And as you can see, when I move the arrow to the icon, it changes so I can open the link. And there it is. Thanks.